Hey everybody, welcome back to Kicking in the Second Half, KISHYZ. I have another shoes video. These are some shoes I just recently got. I didn't want to do an unboxing because it's just like nothing really super exciting, but it's just something I just wanted to talk about. I've been having some of my friends ask me about, fashion as far as wearing different shoes and, when it comes to different colors, how to wear them or what to wear them with. So I kind of wanted to break down some more simpler shoes, but shoes that I like because I just didn't get it for the video. I got it because I like it and I wanted to add some variety to my wardrobe as far as not just wearing athletic apparel all the time or just, or just a general basketball shoe as far as it being a more expensive shoe. I just wanted sometimes to keep it simple but show you how you could do that. So yeah, shout out to some of my friends that are watching this video, and I think we're planning on going down shopping to Short Pump in Virginia this weekend, so maybe you could pick up a few pairs of different type of shoes you might find interesting, or maybe just one pair but a few pairs between all of y'all. So but yeah, let's get into the shoes. So I have different colorways. This is called the OG Challenger. They're Nike shoes and they're basically a running shoe. So let's see what color we have here with this one. This one is, so yeah, let me start out with this. This is so it's just a simple box. Like I said, I took it out the boxing because I didn't want to unbox it, but just a plain Nike box because it's a basic shoe. Now the thing I really like about this shoe is, okay, like this one in particular says 90 bucks on the box. Don't pay 90 bucks for it because I did not pay 90 bucks for it, and these shoes are on sale. I think Dick's Sporting Goods has it, and Finish Line. I think they're all on sale there, and Hibbett Sports has these for maybe I don't know at the price at the moment, maybe 75, but they also do coupons there when they have those promo codes that pop up during the week. The times where you can do like 25% off or 20% off. So do not pay regular price for this. So if you see them on one of those sites for regular price, don't do it. And if you're waiting out, they may go a little bit cheaper. But if not, if you're comfortable paying about 60 bucks for it, I think they're worth it. I have yet to wear them, but I will wear these. This is not something I got just to have around the house for collectors. But here's the blue pair here. And like I said, it's just a basic running shoe. I think when I looked this up, this might have came out originally around 1979, but the material's nothing expensive. This is very thin, thinner than what I thought it would actually be. See if you could see, yeah, the thinness of this tongue. That's fine. That's fine with me. This is just, nothing super expensive at all. The materials are kind of basic materials, but I didn't get it for the materials in this particular type of shoes. It's about the wardrobe. And when you can get shoes like this at a good price or a cheap price, depending on what your range is and how you feel about spending about 60 bucks for a pair of shoes, these are the type of shoes that you don't just have to wear all the time to get value. You wear them for particular outfits. So that's how you add some color to your wardrobe but have a variety, is because you're not trying to match blue with everything. But if you wanted to match blue with something, I have a few ideas here. Let's see if this pops up. Here's some, basically some whitewashed blue denim pants. You could say I got these from Express, but I've had these for a while. This might go well with it because if you're just trying to break up some of the black, or you're not trying to go white pants, just depending on your mood. With this one, I'd probably keep it, kind of casual, but I think I would wear it with these type of color jeans, or just regular denim blue jeans. But if you wanted something different, that, like I said, it's like a whitewashed bleached denim look. Here's like a sweater if you wanted to wear something in the fall with these shoes. This would go well in the fall as well. We're talking about maybe around October, early November, if you want to go with the casual look there, but yet stay kind of like, kind of dressed up, semi formal at the top with that. Or, if you want to go athletic, yeah, here's my LeBron James Lakers jersey. Like, obviously it'll go well with this, and you can wear joggers with this as well. So yeah, like, okay, I don't particularly want to wear maybe some LeBrons with this and just have it too matchy, but I'll wear some Nikes, and it's just like, okay, basic shoe, but sometimes when you dress from your feet up, you can really make your outfit pop just because of the color coordination. But like I said, it doesn't have to be exact. Like that sweater was like a darker navy blue. This is a royal blue color. So, and then like those pants were like different shades of denim. So that could definitely work in your wardrobe. like another colorway here. Let's see what we got in this one. Here's some black and yellow. Black and yellow Wiz Khalifa. So what I like about this is, yeah, if you're a sports fan, obviously you can wear this with some Lakers gear right here. I think I'm probably going to do that at some point, and I need to start, when I do wear things like this, put it on my IG, find it on KISHYZ, KISH_YZ. And by the way, if you're watching this, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, give us a subscribe, please, to our channel, and watch some of our other Shooz videos, as well as our podcasts on KISHYZ. And that podcast is also featured on Anchor.fm, as well as Spotify if you want to listen there under KISHYZ, KISH_YZ. But yeah, here's another basic. It's the same exact shoe, but just another colorway, just black and yellow. And it's like, I don't always have to wear something yellow with this. Like I would feel comfortable wearing just black and white with this. Like if you really wanted this shoe to pop without it being too much in your face, black joggers, white top. There's enough white here that I would say that the white would still be like kind of an accent in the outfit, but you know, not to draw away from you if somebody's looking or talking to you. But if they happen to look down like, oh man, I like those sneakers, and it'll just match the outfit, but yet it would stand out on its own because of the yellow. But like I said, if you want it to make the yellow stand out more, go with something like this. Like this is not the same exact yellow, obviously. This is more of a gold. But when, you know, obviously I'm not wearing like any yellow joggers or anything, but if I go black joggers or, you know, a light colored denim or white denim pants for some reason, you know, if you want to wear it white in the summer, like this would do. Anytime you have like this white on white here, tongue, the laces, and just a little bit more here, you can get away with wearing white with these shoes if you want to dress it up just a little bit. But, you know, strictly casual, like probably good summer shoe, you know, low cut socks, no socks if you're brave enough to do that. And you know, that could work. Obviously joggers. I probably wouldn't wear too many jeans with this particular pair as far as what I have in mind, what I'm going to wear it with. But yeah, like I said, stay tuned for that. That'll be down the road, and we'll have that on the IG there. But like I said, just another colorway. This was about the same price. Do not pay, what does this box say? I'm sure it should be $90. Yeah, $90. Don't pay $90 for this shoe. It's not that you can't get $90 use out of it. It's just that if you're on a website and somebody's selling it for $90, you can find a better bargain. Yeah, I wouldn't have paid $90 for this. I probably would have looked at it and said, that's a cool shoe. If it goes on sale, maybe. And that's basically what happened. When I initially saw it, it was on sale. And then, like I said, if you could get it off some other site like Hibbett Sports where they do coupons with it, you would get it a lot cheaper. And I have another pair just because this one even cheaper. This was like $60, and then because I think those were a little like 65 or something. And wow, what I'm noticing about this one is it actually has like another tone of color here. But this is a red pair. This red is a gym red. So it almost looks burgundy a little bit, but hey, don't hesitate to wear this with some burgundy. You know what? Because of this gum bottom right here is what, you know, if you're not familiar too much with the sneaker fashion, I call this gum bottom. A lot of people would because of the color. Like, it's just, I don't know, it's just gum. So yeah, with the gum bottom, even though you don't see much of it, but, you know, people will see it when you walk. So you're looking at the shoe here, or if you're wearing it, this is how you're viewing it. But you got a little bit here, and you have it here. So when you're walking and you're lifting your foot up, people will see that. And you can touch on this note here as far as how you're dressing with this shoe. I can see myself wearing this with like a pair of khakis. Just because of this, it's going to pull out some of the khaki. And then, you know, if it's a fall, maybe a maroonish type of sweater if I want to. Maybe not something too bright red if I'm doing that, but, you know, give it a shot. Definitely you can go white again up top with this. Obviously you can go black joggers, but I think I would wear these primarily with khaki. So like I said, these shoes are for particular outfits. So it's not that I have to try to match this with every single thing in my closet. That's not the purpose here. This is even for people that are in school. Like if you're in high school, middle school, or if you're a parent and you're trying to dress your kid, but they want a little bit variety in their wardrobe or some fashion. The best thing to do is get some cheaper sneakers, and then they could build that way. And then the most important thing is try to keep these clean. even though they're 60 bucks, I'm not trying to just wear these anywhere. I don't want these laces dirty. I don't want this dirty. Like the white should be white. As long as you can keep it white, because that's what's going to make this shoe pop. It is a cheap shoe. So to keep it looking fresh is the key here to making this shoe look like, oh, that's more of an expensive outfit than what you would think if you just look at it. Yeah, if you're just not looking at the shoe for what it is, but if you're looking at the color and then depending on how you wear it up top, yeah, you can easily just wear basic colors, basic denim jeans, and just, you know, just a shirt with any kind of logo on it, and then you would definitely dress it down and it wouldn't give you the same effect. It just looked like, okay, it's just kind of like throw around shoes. But when you coordinate it in the right fashion and you have maybe like a shirt that is a nice cut shirt, or your jeans are kind of, you know, the length is the right length and the way the jeans look, you know, maybe not go cargo, because you can go cargo with this, but if you go cargo, it's going to, in my opinion, it's going to cheapen the shoe a little bit. So you might want to go khaki pants that aren't cargo to get a better effect of it being more of a tailored looking outfit, in my opinion. But that's how I would do it. So yeah, I need to do some videos, or also do some photos and put it on Instagram on how to wear these shoes, and through my view. Like, you might come up with something completely different. Like, obviously some people just like to wear mixed matching colors. I'm like a coordinated type of guy when it comes to colors. That's just how I always did it growing up. And like, I always liked a lot of different type of shoes, and obviously some of the shoes that are popular, but I sometimes go for the unpopular shoe. I remember like back in high school, I used to wear Dunks because I used to wear Air Force Ones a lot, but people started wearing Air Force Ones. They got really popular again, and I was like, okay, well, I'm kind of getting off of that, but I wanted something similar. I wanted that classic check on the side, and I went with Nike Dunks. They were like lows, so the shape was different shoe, but it still gave me the same effect that I wanted. I just had to wear them a little bit different because they're lower profile than Air Force Ones. And nowadays, you try to go in the sneakers app. Of course, they have all different type of colorways and all different type of collaborations or prints on the Nike Dunks. But yeah, you can get those shoes. They're still not very expensive, but they've gone up in price. They're about like $110 for low tops or something like that. But people buy them up, and then if you want to buy them from another person, there's several $100s. So I'm not wanting to do that for Dunks necessarily. So I'm looking for something else that I can get cheap and wear casually and just match with an outfit. And right now it's this is what I have my eye on, and I'm glad I got several different colors, and I'm gonna see how that works. Maybe when I put it on, it doesn't give me the effect that I think it will, but I think it will because it's clean. And that's the most important, like I said, with a cheaper shoe, is to keep it clean, because they're not beaters. You have to appreciate your shoe like you would your shirt. Like, you know, yeah, if you're mowing in your shirt, then don't mow in these, you know, then you might mow in the shoes. But if you're not going to mow in your shirt, don't mow in these shoes. Like, don't just throw them on for beaters. Like, get another pair of shoes for beaters. Like, in my opinion, don't use these for beaters. You know, when they eventually get old, sure. But this is not something you have to wear, in my opinion, you don't have to wear it every single week. Just wear it a couple months for the summer, or rotate the colors. Like, okay, blue is this month, the yellow is next month, and then do some red in the fall, however you choose, you know, but just try to keep them fresh. And then I have one more pair up here. These are not the Nike OGs. This was something else Finish Line had, and I think these were $100, but I did not get these for $100 either. Yeah, this one says $100, and yeah, that's why this box is a little different. These are called the DBREAKs. Yeah, Nike DBREAK, sorry, not Daybreak. DBREAK / type SE. So yeah, nothing special about this. I already took it out the shipping box. I'll put that up here. And so here's, yeah, it's very similar to that structure of, sorry, I got the wrong, here we go, right here. So very similar, still that same late 70s, early 80s style of shoe, but obviously you could see this is more like of a Nike Cortez type of look. Shout out to Dwayne as far as the shoe, the outline of the shoe, the contour of the shoe, and you're looking down. So this is a little bit different. This one kind of like has a little bit more of that bow end look right here on the shoe, but I mean basically from the back it kind of looks very, very similar, almost like the same shoe, which is kind of why I got these too, because they were slightly different, but they were close enough to those so that I could wear casually, but a different color. This is like a navy blue and some type of light gray here. This material is definitely different than that. Screen printed Nike check, where these are kind of like leather, white leather checks, or that black leather check on this one here. So this is like I said, this is a screen print. But what's interesting with this is the black bottoms, but you know, with these two different colors, like these are neutral colors. So you might think black or white, and this may look black to you, but it's a dark blue. It's a navy blue. I could possibly wear this with like a suit. If I wanted to dress down a suit, I can easily wear a navy, not a dark navy suit, but like some type of navy blue suit, or a lighter blue suit, or just like if I wanted to go like for a boat look, kind of wear khakis and like a lighter color blazer, or like any variety color of blazer, to be honest. Like it could be navy blue. I would probably do something a little bit lighter, like not like a royal blue, but like a light blue. I don't know what color to say to describe it best, but I would possibly do that. And like I said, you can wear a full suit, or if you go blazer and chinos, that would be probably the look that I would prefer the most. Blazer and chinos with this, if I want to keep it casual and not necessarily wear a dress shoe. Like obviously if we're talking office, and if it's casual, sure, you can wear this. But if you're in an office setting where you have to dress a certain way, I would definitely look into buying a pair of these because they're cheap. And when you slip off your dress shoes and you just need something to walk around in, or just to go outside for a little bit, or your commute home, put this on. You got to run into Whole Foods or something, wherever you shop at, and put this on with your suit. But yeah, just in general, like if going out for an evening to a casual gathering, then yeah, maybe some khaki colored chinos, or some blue type of chinos. Could you wear this with white pants? Sure, why not? You could definitely wear this with white, because I think the white lacing and the white tongue offsets against this dark blue, that it would definitely give you that same look of kind of like, it's dressed up, it's like semi-formal. But yeah, any of these shoes, like I said, once again, like these shoes are cheap enough that you should try to get one pair, in my opinion, and see how you like it. Just pick a color. There's actually some other colors on there. There's some that aren't on sale as far as the last time I looked, but there's some other colors that are on sale. I think there's like a white and black pair, where it's mostly white with the black check for the OGs, and as well as the reverse, the black with the white. I usually don't go for that too much when it comes to like a general type of basic shoe, because it's going to just look, like I said, just general and basic. But with these, you can make these stand out, even though they're not a high profile shoe. Like this is not a Nike Air Max shoe. So if you took this off and put Air Max at the bottom, and you've just made this shoe go from 100 to 150, if you put like the full length Air Max. But like I said, this shoe is $100. Was originally $100, but I didn't get it for $100. So don't you get it for $100 either. And, if they don't have your size, just look for another colorway. You could probably find one of these in a color that you like in your size, hopefully. But yeah, they're out there. Just got to look. But like I said, these are called the Nike DBREAK, and the other three pairs are the Nike OG Challengers. So yeah, definitely take a look. And once again, thanks for kicking in the second half. KISHYZ, I'm D. And like I said, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks, everybody. Peace and love.